Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk about Boston Whaler's 2018 24 Dauntless. As you can see, it's an absolutely beautiful boat. The lines on it are spectacular. You've got the stainless steel insert on it on the rub rail, really highlights it nicely. You've got the light gray hull, and then you've got the rub rail, the bow rail going all the way around for good for security and safety as well. You've got the boat. They've got the tow eye right here. So if you do need to tow the boat, sometimes it's a dinghy or whatever, you can tow it there. And it still has a deep V, which hand cuts through the water very nicely. It has a very shallow draft. It's about 14-inch draft, right abouts in there, and so you can get it into the back waters. You can bring it right up onto the beach. You can get on and off it from the bow. And it is powered by the Mercury Verado 300. It's a fantastic engine for this boat. It's all the horsepower you're going to need. It's going to get it hop right on plane quickly, and it's going to give you a top end as well, closer to 50 miles an hour. So trim tabs on top of it. It's got everything you need, so let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 24 Dauntless. Let's start at the back of the boat. If you're out fishing for the day, it's set up very nicely. You got plenty of non-skid up here, all flat surfaces, no trip hazards out here. 4 rod holders in the back, a couple of drink holders, and if you're out not fishing for the day and you're just going out to the beach, this folds up. 4 adults, very comfortable in the seat. Nice high back, full support on this, so it is a comfortable seat for spending long periods of time out on the water comfortably. Going back to the fishing, if you are fishing, the back of this is facing, we can face to the back of the boat for easy fishing, very comfortable rod hold, 2 rod holders here as well, place for hooks and knives, and very convenient place for a large live well. So just where you need it to be, good size, plenty of room for a lot of bait. So when you're all done fishing, you just pop this back this way. Now you're facing forward. Look at all the space you have here. You've got a ton of space for 1 or 2 units. You've got your phone jack, your everything right here in front of you. Do have your trim tab controls set up very nicely. As we move here, you've got a little porta potty in here, and not a bad space for a 24-foot boat. It gives you a good amount of space. It does have a window up there for extra light and fresh air as well. As we move forward, you've got a forward-facing seat with 4 more rod holders and 2 drink holders here, and a second live well. So you've got one at the back of the boat and one in the front of the boat. So whichever end of the boat you've got bait right at your hands. Great seating up here. If you're just going out for a ride, comfortable, you can put a lot of people out here. These are actually returning to lounges as well, so you can have 2 nice comfortable lounges facing forward. If you are fishing, this is all non-skid. You can take the cushions off, and it's a great standing area to fish. Same with down here. And then you get a big fish box, so you can ice that down, keep all your catch up there, plenty of it, self-draining. It does it very, very well. So with the T-top on here, the white powder coat on it, it's just a fantastic fish boat. You can get it in the backwater, no problem at all. Very, very shallow draft. But if you do want to take it out in the Gulf, it handles the Gulf well also. So it does pretty much everything you're going to need. If you have any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.